Oh, Shegwe, finally. My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Una welcome to our Bonga program, Iziga, when we say na crime and security. Now we talk about for this particular program. As I always talk, tell una for this particular program, my mind is with me where we sake of say, I know so na can dagidigba for una Ogbonge places, una all watch the Ogbonge Tori when we come out for Iziga for this particular episode. I una know the reason why we the greatest for this program. A sake of say no time where crime no they happen. It they happen in the morning, it they happen in the afternoon, it they happen at night. That is why at any particular time when this Iziga cause shele, once we get information, we reach there, go find out how this kind of thing when it happen. So what it cause them, how we will fit prevent her for future occurrence. That is the essence of this particular program. Well, my name now Wellington Ako Deja Osaze equally there here with me.
Akoko.
Hello.
But people ask of you where we were last week.
You know, say we do small.
I tell them say you enter jungle go to read. My people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We thank you now where we na take tandagling back. Quick. Make I give now the information what we they always give for this Iziga program. The first one now, and when we concern police. As you already see your screen now, you don't see the number don't appear. This na police number. If you not get any yawa for area, and I don't know how and I want to go about them, kia make una call this number. Before you know, the police people they don't deal with you now. This other one so what you display for screen so now the one we concern civil defense corps. Civil defense corps now no say them too. They run package as police they run package. Only say if they catch people, you know, if you just go persecute them, but they will still hand over them to police. But anyhow, if they come, if not guagua, now the matter there, then too, they still ready to still run that package. And when they do them, now we'll see dissatisfied with the service we they give. My people, this other one, now don't we concern NDLEA. NDLEA, now people will say them too, then they work out for drug matter. If you be see that they sell illicit drug for your area, then they say sometimes you would hear say something they make vum. So na Morocco and they call that one. While some other one will be say you know go even hear this me at all like and all those heroin, nicotine, all those ones just today. But all these things now waiting the damage brain. And we can still look and say as this matter don't clear you will no one hear that kind of smell. Now environmental pollution now be to you. So you now will call this number. This number now NDLEA operations room. Now get the number. Before you know, they don't did the can carry out some raid. And when they carry out raid, they will give us satisfactory service. Quick, this other one. I don't concern fire service. Now no say those days fire service now and fire brigade now will not put. But as development they go on, when they use better English, they knock up. Quick, if fire catch for your area, you don't try use your bucket. You don't fit, you don't do all your best, you don't fit, you will call this number so when they your screen, they will come up and quench the fire. My people, the last one, so now be the one we concern coronavirus. Coronavirus, it never stay clear for we area, even if they hear say, they say government don't they bring the vaccine, they enter Nigeria. No, you know you have to go around everybody now. Now because one let you know say that rules when they guide, we can see the follow. Cover your nose and mouth. The way the team and they do. They don't arrest people for we not carry mask. We not forget that knock which we want knock concerning that matter. Next week we will knock on what concern that matter. So my people, make una they maintain that social distance and make una they do the way government seminar they do, so that at the tail end Nigeria will be free society for health matter. And quick. I want to let you know say this number. So if anybody get any symptom when it concern corona, make una call this number. They don't deal with you now. Come is that the ambulance take carry the victim, come on, go treat.
Yes, so my people, if you still check your screen now, you'll see my number, Osaze number, and one of our organ number for screen. Should in case you get any contribution or probably you want to advise us, you feel send us text messages or you call us or send us a WhatsApp message concerning what they happen for your area. If not the one day airworthy, we'll still help you use that. They will call you, make we investigate the matter. Then we will, if you want to make we hide your identity, will still hide your identity depending on what you want. We could go for small break. As soon as we come, we'll knock on the top ogbonge tori for Iziga.
Iziga, make you remove your hand for bad thing. Remember say every day for the thief, but one day for the owner.
Yes, so my people, our fourth story for Iziga for this week, we say one man went pour acid for a wife body, and by extension, the acid cost him reach a 4-year-old baby. Now, the man, he don't dey inside police custody, don't dey dim eye, point. Police say hand don't meet the kidnappers when we say they kidnap Edo State PRO of Nigeria Immigration Service, where we say her name now, Mrs. Juliet Isene. Soldiers don't capture one town where they call Kafa, where we say Boko Haram don't occupy Tete. 279 guests when they abduct for Zamfara State, they don't secure their release. We could go for a small break. As soon as we come, we'll knock on the fourth story for Iziga for this week.
Iziga, make you remove your hand for bad thing. Remember say every day for the thief, but one day for the owner.
Yes, so my people, not be every man when you see for streets, not be head correct, but some head correct, but some wahala they make they do what they want to do. This what call happen when we say one woman call cry come out. He say he see husband say he call pour acid for his body. See this what happen when we say they get small quarrel last year when his husband call say na some Okite John fly gutter and all that. He call driving come off for her. He say but as a matter be so, he say he call day house for one evening. He come see his husband and neighbors call see her when come when pour acid for his body. He say he don't dey inside hospital for a very long time. As they talk to you, so he say his baby don't lost one eye, he don't lost one ear. Now the police talkie officer will be say his name now Prince Will Osagbovo cause say okay as a matter be so you say police don't hand over they don't arrest the person. Make we hear from Princely Osagbovo, then after which the woman will equally tell us what happened. They will equally speak with the suspect what really caused this matter. So
I can confirm that incident when we received the petition on the 11th of January 2021 to the Commissioner of Police from one Linda Okumbo. Okay. And the incident was referred to the homicide section, CCID. However, the suspect, who happens to be the husband of the petitioner, fled after the incident. But through technical analysis by the CCID men, we were able to get him at a home. So he has been arrested. His baby, who is about 3 years old, also suffered from burns, injuries from the acid. So the baby is still receiving treatment. Even the wife sustained some burns too, but her own is mild. She has been discharged from EBTH, but the baby is still at EBTH. The investigation is on. However, the investigation is even completed. It's completed. We have arrested the suspect, and the case will be charged to court.
well, that one are the police talking man for Edo State Police Command, Mr. Osagbovo, DSP Osagbovo. Now I talk to now. So well, make we quickly go to the suspect. When we say in the day now they don't put alcohol for your hand. They say but what happen so he say lie he no do that kind of thing. He say what really they happen. He say he can't discover say for Ebola when we say they under the 2 legs. He say can't discover say so kind things called they come out for inside and he can't discover say even his wife called they take some drugs. Say this one can't happen when we say when they all born their last pikin. Say they can't go hospital as they cross check the woman. Say now doctor call say he get one disease where they call HIV. Say this will call happen when we say the thing paining well. But we they try to ask her now because of say your wife get so disease now make you call pour acid. He say lie. He say not be pour acid. Make we hear from the man.
Oga, not be me do. I not go fit do my child like anything bad, anything evil.
What the cause problem?
This my wife. Since when we no, he can't get HIV. You understand? he not tell me when he won't born for UBTH. He can't tell me say he get HIV. Doctor can't detect him. They can't tell me say he get HIV. Now doctor who tell me, he not tell me. Me with him good 4 years. He not tell me say he get HIV. Time goes on now, they can't tell me say he get HIV. And now they see where they drink the medicine every time. Me no say na HIV he get. Every time, so sick, now me the sick. But they can't tell me say I can't go do test. They say I no contact them. But again, one thing, one pause they do for my prick every time. The pause now, if they do, I go buy medicine. If you see do, they go see finish. Small time, go see come back. Then this lady so, with me with her day, this is my wife, we born to pick it for me. If he different men, if they call her for phone, I go collect the phone for your hand. You understand? If I want to talk to her, the man go hold the phone, no go. I can't beat and put. That's so quarrel. Even when Papa they come my side, come they settle the matter every time. You understand? Papa they here, they come they settle us every time. Then we come now I come born the picking. We born the picking Richards. Now Papa they come beg me say me arrest since I not contact them. They say we feel marry. Then the thing we see they worry me for prick. You see they worry me, and also sickness I dey sick. Every time I know they did sound with the woman. Even one day where I lie down for bed, cockroach, if you want to chop me for prick, I can't hold on. Just fly come. That is just fly come, I just hold on. Then nah, you can't see born the second picking. As you born the second picking now, we can't get that day. Now so quarrel with the quarrel every time. So quarrel. Say, my Bible. You know why I not go? This very woman so, the time with me with her day. You understand? Where I live on, he say I be thief. He begin to pursue me. Now I can't tell Papa, may the breed the picking. May I can't carry the picking. Say I want to go give my mama for village. May I send money. He say they not give me. Now I say, since he say no give me, may I just rest. Pata. Papa go call me. If he call me, sometimes I go see call him. He go say the day. He say, Papa come to say, I say I want to bring school fees. Say me I not worry for school fees. He dey here now. Say me I not just worry for school fees. Say they go fit take off. Now say I want to carry my pikin, my trainer. He say no go green. I can't tell Papa say, Papa, where I say I want to go carry the pikin. I can't tell Papa say, if anything do my pikin, na problem After we did and that day we call me for I call the quarter. I call the curse. Papa, I don't like you. I know they talk. I say my pikin say I want to take off my pikin. Since the lady they follow different men. For the Papa house. You understand? Now you know where for see what you see. You understand? I tell Papa say I want to pack my children. Say me I take up. They say no go green. Now make me just rest. Yes. No be me. This woman, me na asan. This woman, now they say want frustrate. Since we talk that thing, they say want frustrate my life. Where they go find that now? They say no be me. Even our village, they even curse. You understand? They curse there where they call it there, they curse for the village. They swear, follow the place. Now say for corner.
Well, you know, they know the barb hair. Wait who know they as we the man quickly make the allegation. Now call me the woman. Now to true say to get this particular HIV. Now the woman say lie. In both first speaking now 8 years. This second one now see how many years a day. He say if he get so HIV. He say his husband no go know. He say now just to he say now to call dog bad name to hunger. He say now make his husband they talk all this way. Say you no get any HIV at all. But wait till we see the reason. Maybe doctors need to examine them psychologically. We could hear from the woman.
This man just leave me and my baby, my children. He say he want go find work for war. He say there's a maybe they go Mapa side. So now my partner say if you see work for war, you feel they take care of your children. He say no, say he not go feel carry us again. Say me will go Mapa side. So since that day they call and say can't talk wetin happen wey make you abandon them, wey make you no dey bring school fees. He say he no go pay school fees for the children. He say the children matter no concern na. So even him mama come talk say as be say na so matter, he say make I kukuma rest because he no fit force the pikin me marry me. Since that day na me dey take care of the children. They pay school fees for them. They take care of them. Then that is 2020, November 2020. For in the evening. Now so this man take carry acid come. Now my small sister just see me. He just they run, they shout, they come say, Mama Sato, where you dey see society don't carry acid come. There is your whole container for handle. As I say, man come and chuchu na him. because person when I know since 2009 if I see I go know now. So as I just take run come out now just see as I say my run now he push me you for me for ground then he pour acid for my body as the acid pour for my body now I quickly get up if you want to pour for my head now the thing meet me for back and leg so as I run leave am now he run go meet where that small girl then he just pour the acid for the small girl forehead come down so now I shout again run then I seen they run. 2 people for bike come say man I waiting at if I say not be thief say na my children papa he come pass it for my body and my baby body for my pass and may una help me as a position that he run past one street wey straight one poultry the poultry straight well so as they run they go those people shine to their machine light take the push one so me come see say na so as they run they go now. Let me come they see they run follow them before I reach them and those people tell me say they no see and say the person don't run so the husband and wife waited near that house now they run come they say waiting not they say na acid so they say I pull my shirt now I push it they pour water for my body so not they say my baby still there me I run go ask again go pour water for my baby body so I take run go ask go pour water for my baby body then one woman say oh yeah so they pour oil for her body now they say more quickly go hospital. May we go treat body so they can't tell her say see wetin you can't do he say God for you say not be say that one never knowing say he go deal with that one wey dey call her so since that day na so they call am say come see wetin you do come look your children even say no be you poor but come look the children he say lie.
Well, Osaze, you don't hear the matter. Something dey happen for this country. Wallahi, because the man say he no go pour acid for his wife and his baby face, but the woman when he say na him see am, he say na him. Now, according to that, he say when they carry the go hospital, they call the husband say make it come, he no gree come. You understand? Police got to track this particular man, so they go catch him for a hop. But now he deny say man he no get him put. You know say our own now just to talk wetin they tell us say it happen. So but it's surprising.
Well, not be just to talk only wetin they tell you say it happen. From so far from wetin you to talk now, who record this man when they talk?
Who?
So wetin be wetin there? Now your investigation. Now you don dey see the investigate. So until judge.
But not the doctor.
No, look at no. What I dey try to talk. All those one are by the way. The truth be say, my brother, they say something no happen, another thing no will happen for long. Yes. They say in every action there is a reaction.
So my people, this particular story, it get the way bill. You know, say they say every day for Tiffy Jankoriko, one day for the owner. This will happen when we say men of Edo State Police Command, they could do what they call do investigation. They could go catch some of the suspects when we say they get hand for the kidnap of the Edo State Command of Nigeria Immigration Service. When we say her name now, Ms. Juliet Isene. So as we talk to you, so the police command, they don't arrest them. Some of them, when people say they want to engage the police in the shootout, people say they don't they travel, they go, their kid don't come as we talk to you. But make some of them tell us what they know concerning this matter. As soon as we come, we talk something concerning this matter.
There's a call this Fulani. They will use bike, bring the gun from bush. They will collect our bypass, go enter Tanzania. Go inside town, you let the worker. Once snatch you, less it. Once not less or when the patrol, they look for anybody who say maybe. Now we take patrol to see the woman. Now we take that looking. We come and drive past, and now we go down on device. Because I do my day okay, now we take it now.
So as you see, when would they always let them know say, make they remove their hand come off for batting. They're not here. But when the matter comes shell, they go say, now the first time.
And quick, you see as they don't catch them, put it come, like say, now as they kill mosquito. Now, it don't over them. When they do them, they don't see so it will be. Then because they advise for this program, if you don't get work, try to find something to do. And if you do work, not put greedy at all. Just see how you fit try they manage that work. Because this life, not only one life everybody get individually. So nobody get two life. That your one life, you will keep on protect and well. Now these people now, the bad way they do now, they will go pay put, no two ways about it.
Yes, so my people, we could quickly move to our third story for Izigan for this week. The governor of Zamfara State, when be say he named Mr. Bello Matawale, in does say he might the sweet well like small people when they buy ice cream give. Say cause say the 279 guests when be say some bandits carry come up for inside one school where they call Jangebe. Say in does secure their release. It to come up when be say he call they talk to Tatafo people for inside Obodo, Nigeria, because they thank President Muhammadu Buhari for the support to ensure say these people will be say they carry this our school children, so he say they release them. Well, make we hear from the governor Matawale, make it let us know how the matter take happen and how the fit prevent a future occurrence of this kind of particular matter.
We're going to continue with that process because not all of them that are bad, like the one that we use to secure the release of these children, they are all repentant bandits because nobody can be able to reach them. They know them, they know where to see them. And when we finished this process yesterday in the morning, they contacted me and say we should provide vehicles to go and bring these children.
That one, Mr. Matawale, in the let us know, say, well, in thank God, say, I would lie, say these people come on hot and all that. But how long are we going to continue in this kind of insecurity?
Akodoja,
Baba?
you know, so can't time when some of these things would happen, person would wonder, say whether na one Nigeria now will still be. But all the same, I know say God not sleep. God dey our back. The one Nigeria, he go stand gidigba as we talk. Well, all these children, they carry some other children when they be 60 children, but those one will never hear of them now. Now, this one are 279, and they carry and they release all of them once. Which means, I say this governor now get very high negotiation power.
Is a seer.
Because it can't be said the one with many, they not remove one, they bring all of them. Then the one will be 60, we never hear how those one they work. But all the same, Nigeria and Nigeria, and me I want advice. Those people who they put on for batting, and they know say anything where you know want me they do to your children, when they do it to another person's children, you know how the trauma will be.
This particular story, now the one we say they make person heart they sweet too, because this one can happen when we say soldiers for inside Kaffa town, don't they dance Ebelebe iya, sake of say they don't take over the town when we say Boko Haram, don't occupy for a very long time. So they talk to you, so all the soldiers they jollificate. If like say, but they complain say they know they get water. If like say they feel see coal mineral and all those things, they are made for sweet well. Well, make we talk to them, make they let us know how it be now and how the town can be now. I say because what Boko Haram do to them for that particular time. He say get the way it be. He say but now when it be say they don't capture them, they kill most of them. He say their mind is sweet well like dog when it be say you don't work out for inside sun, then you can't give them cold water. We could hear from them.
We thank Almighty God for taking us to Kaffa. For those who has not know where Kaffa is, we have captured Kaffa since about 5 days ago. We are here, but the challenges we are facing is lack of water. No water, no food, no way for us to get the food because the road is not too good for us. But we capture this place and we kill them. We kill Boko Haram. They run inside the bush everywhere now. They are scattered. They don't know. They don't have anywhere to hide again. Even their camp in front here. We went there and they ran away. We killed about 100 of them. Their warehouse there, we burned it. We saw fertilizer, the food they gathered there that they are using feeding themselves. They run, leave their women, about 25 of them, and 7 children. So they should continue to pray for us. We are making progress. We are succeeding on them.
The place was not easy, but today we captured the place. We captured the place. We are here today. sitting down. You can say I can even take lift on this morning. So to tell you, God be the glory. We thank God for everything. We have captured. We advanced to some of our colleagues again. We advanced to one village there, and we captured some women and one of their big farm and foodstuff enough there. We burn it and with their fertilizer that they are using it and be doing bomb.
Well, Osaze, this one a very big plus to the Nigerian security men for Nigeria, particularly the Nigerian army, for this fight when we say there's capture this town soon. Because if government continually they show them support, they will continue to fight all these people when we say they won't tear the country apart. Because you see them able men that they there for months now, that their family they different areas that they miss them. So God will continually to protect them, guide them, and guide their footsteps.
Now, so you don't talk on because the truth we say. Let me say we get capable military men and we get capable youth. When it be say if you touch them small, or just to touch them, they will begin move. And that touch when I use I mean we say equip them, they will do the wonders. Now, what do you mean want to talk of the matter? You they talk and now you they laugh about Kodeja. How a whole military they will do this kind of place after they don't finish. Now so that they troop everything will concern welfare. That's why they troop on in. Through air, not be land again. They go the troop on in, go they give them what they want. Now imagine. Now that one strike me. Say where well, they happy that no enough water. Well, before we go finally, again one word I want to tell you now. We don't hear some information say nowadays all those robbers, all those barbar people, if they see say they want rob you though, where you park put. Or if go remove your plate number for back, and you know when you come, you don't carry your motor. Oh yeah, zoom off. Now they will come, they drive, follow you. They wave the plate number for you. They say, see your plate number. As you say the plate number 9 by 4. So if you by mistake say, okay, make you your park, make you collect the plate number before you know they don't round you, carry your motor. They will come even still carry you, follow body. So that's one of the security tips when I want to let you know for this program. My name now Osaze Omogiate.
Yes, so my people, now here we for draw to this cutting for this particular program. Wanna stay with us next week to this same time on this same station. My people,
bye bye you.